Welcome back to Pascal Potatoes. Today we're going to be making homemade Shrinky Dinks. But there's more. Homemade versus the
Store-bought.
Store-bought, yeah.
Yes, homemade versus store-bought. Okay, so what do we do? How do we make our own versus store-bought?
So you take your pencils and you write on here, not on the shiny side because then it won't write. But if you do this side, it will.
Okay, so those are the store-made ones.
Yeah, this is a number 6 plastic. It's a special type of plastic. See, this is the shiny side. This is the rough side.
So what you're going to do to make your homemade ones is you're going to take your Sharpie and you're going to draw a design onto the plastic lid and then color it, and then we'll cut it out.
Yep.
All right, let's go.
I will start with store with the gnome.
Okay, so store-bought ones, we just color and done. And Ephraim is making the homemade one. So he is drawing a big enough picture that we can color it and then cut it out. Awesome. Okay, Ephraim's coloring his in. So when we make our homemade ones, you just want to use a permanent marker to draw your picture and your outline. And then you want to use markers to color it in instead of colored pencils, because the colored pencils just don't show up on that type of plastic like they do on the store-bought Shrinky Dinks. His first store-bought Shrinky Dink done. And Ephraim is working on his. And Ephraim's got his homemade Shrinky Dink ready to go. And Pasca's gonna get his ready to go.
Yep.
What you gonna draw?
I don't know.
Once you've got them colored, if you're doing the store-bought ones, you're just gonna cut it out with scissors along the lines. And then you're also going to want to cut out your homemade ones as well. So you want to make sure with your homemade ones that the plastic that you use is like the type that you get from a carry-out container from a restaurant. It's a number 6 plastic. And if you can see on the container, it says number 6 in the middle of that recycling sign. So that's how you know that you have the right type of plastic. All right, so we have got our Shrinky Dinks ready to go. So we have cut out our homemade Shrinky Dinks and we've cut out our store-bought Shrinky Dinks, and we have put them on a cookie tray covered by aluminum foil, and now we're going to put them in the oven at 325 degrees for 2 to 3 minutes, and we're going to see them shrink. Let's go. Right, they are going in to the oven. It is hot. Shut the door.
Wow, they're shrinking. They're all straight. Wait,
Whoa.
what is here? What? How? Look at my tiny guys. They're like all their swords are going.
Okay, if you can see them, see how they're all rolled up in there? So they're gonna roll up and then they will flatten back out. So they're gonna be ready here in just a minute.
Oh, look how tiny they are. They're so tiny. Except this one, it's kind of big.
Those are tiny. That's so cool.
Look at my guys. They're so tiny too.
Oh my gosh, so
So
cool.
big. These are the final Shrinky Dinks. This is the bought one. This is the homemade one.
All right, I'd say that's a success.
Yeah.
It worked.
But this one, some of them don't turn out as, these ones and all.
No, that one didn't uncurl, did it?
Nope.
But it has the same,
Yeah.
looks the same. What they look like at the beginning, and let's see how much they shrink.
Colorful one.
Wow. Isn't that crazy?
Yes. Look, this was the gnome. and almost like right here. Look at how
Crazy
small it
cool.
is. I did not draw this small.
Super fun.
We're gonna make more Shrinky Dinks. Subscribe for more fun. Bye. See you next time.
Thanks for watching.
Bye.